مرحبا، كيف يمكنني مساعدتك؟
Hello, do you speak English?
Yes. حسنا سيدتي، كيف يمكنني مساعدتك؟ Okay, madam, how can I help you?
Hi, our drink is clogged and I would like to schedule a repair.
من فضلك زوديني بالعنوان والوقت الذي يمكنني الحضور فيه اليوم. Tell me the address and time I can come today.
The address is Elena Street 18, apartment 23. Anytime in the afternoon is fine, I'll be at home.
حسنا سيدتي، سآتي في الساعة 3 عصرا لإصلاحه. هل يناسبك ذلك؟ Okay, madam, I'll come at 3 p.m. to fix it. Is that okay with you?
Okay, I'll wait for you at home. Thank you.